welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sierra Nicole, and today we doing a Shein haul, and we doing a two-piece set haul for vacation haul. How to be a baddie on vacation, Shein style. That's the kind of haul we about to do. Anyway, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment your favorite piece down below. All my old subscribers, hey girl, hey, y'all know how we get down. We gonna go through the pieces. I'm gonna try it on for y'all. Y'all gonna see the real deal Holyfield. Gonna see how everything fit. I'm gonna do a try on haul. I bought a bunch of stuff from Shein for vacation. It's springtime, we getting vacation ready. Yeah, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I did get, so you could be a baddie on vacation, a super baddie on vacation. Y'all know how I've been feeling about the color brown. I got these super cute shorts. I like the little detailing here. It has a zipper in the back, and I believe I got these in a size, okay, I'm just gonna add the sizing at the end, I think. Oh no. All right, so I got these in a medium because I think they didn't have large. But one thing for sure, two things for certain, I don't think I'm a medium. So we're gonna try these on. And it comes with this matching top. And I got the top in a size medium as well. I think I got a medium because I didn't want to get a top in a large because my top isn't a large. My top is a medium. And I didn't want to swim in the top. So I don't know. Super cute set. I thought this was really, really nice. I paired this with, I got this to go with these super cute sandals. Like, first of all, let's get into these sandals, baby. Look at these. These are so cute. I got this in a size 39. I hope that's not a 9 because I'm not a 9. I think I got these in a size 8. I think these are a US size 8, but these are super duper cute. Okay guys, so this is the first two-piece set. I really, really love this set. The only thing I don't like is that the top part here is not adjustable. So I had a really hard time trying to tie the back by myself. The shorts fit pretty good, and these shorts are in a size medium. And you know, normally I'm a large at the bottom, medium at the top. Love this set. Love this set, especially with the sandals. These are super duper cute and they're super comfy. The only thing about these sandals, they don't feel like they're that durable. So this is definitely a sandal you wear to the beach, not to the streets. Cause baby, these gonna break. They gonna break in 2.5 seconds. And I love these shorts. I was so afraid pulling them up that the medium was not going to fit, but they came up, and y'all know your girl was hippie. And we got some junk in the trunk, but the medium really does fit. I love this color. I love the brown on my skin. Yes, it's giving a vibe. Let's go to the next baddie set. The next thing I did get was this. Everything in this haul is going to be two-piece sets. I want to get things that match. When you go on vacation, you don't want to really think about putting stuff together. You want stuff that already come together. You throw it on, get out the door. Okay. The next thing I got is this really, really pretty blue skirt. And it comes with a matching crop top. The skirt is in a size medium again. And the top is in a size medium. So I'm guessing for all the sets, I ordered a medium because I can't wear a large top. So actually, I really should have got a small top in this and the bottom's medium. But they don't come mix. Is it mix match? No, mix match. They don't come whatever. So it comes as a set. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I love this color. Tell me this color not screaming vacation. Vacation. It's giving yacht. Throw me on the boat. Throw me on the boat. Okay guys, look at this set. I love this. I paired this set with like the white flip-flop heels. can you guys see? So I paired it with these, and this, baby, I like this. I must say this set has no stretch, so if you're thinking about sizing down, don't size down. If anything, I feel like I want to say it's true to size because this is a medium. The skirt, y'all see, it does not stretch at all. It has no stretch. It has a zipper along the side, the ruching in the front, so you can, you know, expose as much as you want to or not expose as much as you want to. The only thing about this is that because it has no stretch and it has this zipper here, my thighs literally have no room, and I'm very hippie, y'all know that. So yeah, the top is a little bit big, but this is a medium, and definitely have to iron this. But this is perfect for vacation. This is perfect for like going out to brunch or even to dinner. You can go to the night dinner in this, go to the boat on this. This is even something nice if you're not going on vacation. This is a nice brunch outfit as well. I like this. Alright, Shein. This is only my second Shein try on. This is my second purchase from Shein, y'all. My second purchase. After that first haul, I haven't bought anything else from Shein, but I'm liking Shein for the vacation vibe. This giving me like Zara kinda. It's really pretty. I really love the color. The next set that I did get, y'all know y'all gotta come through with the colors on vacation. So look at this green. This is so freaking pretty. Oh wait, am I holding it upside down? We'll figure it out when I put it on. And it comes with this skirt, like a little yellow color skirt, pencil. Well, not a pencil. It's kind of like pencil style, honestly. It kind of gets tapered at the bottom. And I got this in a size medium, and the top is a medium as well because it's a set, so I couldn't buy them separately. You guys think about this. I absolutely love this set. I love the color that it comes in. It's popping. All I'm missing is like the thin skin glow. The only thing I do wish is that the top was a tad bit smaller. The top is a medium. I'm typically a medium, but like I tied this as tight as it can go without it looking super weird. But I mean, it doesn't feel like it's going to fall down. Just giving, I feel like you can wear this to dinner as well. I feel like the outfits I got, you can wear them to dinner, you can wear them on the yacht, you can run throughout the day. Out of this. It's super, super cute. And it's making me feel really nice. And it's like hot in my stomach. So this gets 2 thumbs up. I like this. On to the next set. The next thing that I did get from Shein. Oh yeah, I do. Okay, so I did really want this set. This set is in a size medium as well. Love the color. And this came with a skirt type of thing. Or is this shorts? Well, so it's like a wraparound skirt. And it has like these little cutout details on there with the matching halter top. I really love this color. Like, baby, I need to go on vacation. Okay, guys, this set almost does not fit. Like, it fit, but it almost don't fit. Like, the skirt has no stretch. It's like everything I ordered has no stretch, and I really need stretch right here in this area. This has no stretch. I feel like if I sneeze, you won't see a cheek. It's very, very short. It doesn't stretch like I said. I'm not sure if I had the skirt wrapped right, but it seems okay. It's very, very pretty though. I love the color. I love the color. I love the halter top. This looks really bomb on me. Yo, I feel like my cheek about to come out. I hate stuff that I gotta keep pulling down because then it look like my clothes too small. I don't like that. But I really do like the color and I like the set. But I do feel like, well, since you can adjust this, I could have gotten a large maybe. I mean, this kind of has some room too. I don't know, this stuff fit a little bit weird. I feel like a little Malibu Barbie. Okay. The last set that I got, you can't go on vacation and not pack anything white. What? Does that make sense? No, it don't. So you absolutely have to pack something white. Where's the top? How did I not buy a top for this? I got these really cute white shorts. I couldn't get the matching top because the top was sold out. This is the only one that didn't come as a set. I'll try the shorts on for you guys, but I have to see if they restock the top that goes with this. And I like the little wooden bead on the side. I like the cutout detailing here. And I got this in a size medium as well. This is the same material. It doesn't stretch. I guess this is all like, I want to say this is like a linen type material. So yeah, it doesn't stretch. It's definitely true to size. But let me guys, these are the shorts. These shorts took me so long to put on because these don't stretch. These are super freaking tight on my legs. I don't know if y'all can tell, but baby, these don't fit. I done stretched out the back. I mean, I guess they fit and I guess they don't. I don't like really tight. I don't like tight stuff on me. And I feel like it looks weird because it's like sticking out like this. So it does kind of look too small. For these, definitely, if you're large, get a large. Don't try to squeeze into this like me. Unless you don't have as much hips as me. Because that was the problem. It was so hard zipping it up here. Oh my god. But as y'all can see with my stomach area, it's not tight. It's here. But I like these. I think I may return these and get these in a large. Ugh. I hate when, yeah, my leg look like it's busting out. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this haul. Let me know which item down below is your favorite. Do y'all have any vacations that are going on this spring / summer? If so, drop down your favorite places to shop for vacation and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys. I'm always doing something goofy. I just hit myself in the face. Comment down below which one was your favorite look. Comment down below and let me know which one should be my yacht look. I mean, I'm not going on a yacht anytime soon, but let's just speak into existence. Anyway, let me know your upcoming vacations. I actually just got back from Tulum. Where was this haul at before I went? I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.